about the difference in the hierarchy between a mouse and a monkey. Because the mouse now, it turns out, now it's a very popular system for studying in detail. Mouse visual system now turns out to be a model system. There is sort of a consolidation that more groups now focus on a few chosen species.
Thank you.
Let's have one more question, because I think that Christof will stay here during the break, so just one last question.
Yes.
You said the word computation may not be the best word to describe what the brain is doing. Can you provide a better word or better words to better describe what the brain is doing? Thank you.
That's a good question. As my mentor, Francis Crick, always said, there's a series of biophysical operations from the photons impinging on the photoreceptor to the actual motor behavior. Some people think of this as computation. But I'm not sure anymore. I used to fully buy into that, but I'm not sure anymore whether that's the best way to think about it. We think about it because it's our tools, our way of life, everything we do pervades it. But the software-hardware distinction, your mind is not software, and your brain isn't hardware. There isn't, of course, there is no hardware-software distinction at the level of the brain. And for instance, we're challenged, why do we need 1,000 cell types? Give me a computational reason. I give you even a simpler case. The retina has 80 to 100 different cell types. The retina does a simple job, we thought of simple. It takes photons and converts them into spikes. In my iPhone, we know each pixel has 3 to 4 transistors to do this job. Why does the retina, what computational reason does the retina have to need 100 different types of neurons? When we know an AND NOT gate is Turing universal, right? Why doesn't it all do it with AND NOT gates? Well, probably for evolutionary, developmental, embryogenic, metabolic reason, it choose to use 100 cell types. So there, I think the computational metaphor isn't really very useful. It's a physical system. That I know for sure. I'm not sure we found the right metaphor yet. You know, it's interesting, if you look at history, as I do a lot now, every culture uses its dominant technology. So Plato and Socrates, they talk about writing on a clay tablet, right? René Descartes talks about because he saw at the court of Versailles, he saw the fountains being moved by hydraulics. For him, it's all about hydraulics moving the brain. Then there was, the radio. Then there was a telephone switchwork. Then there was a gigantic computer in the 50s. Then it's the internet, and now it's some sort of deep convolutional network. Well, that just happens to be always our most powerful technology. Then we say, well, the brain is like our most powerful technology. And there's some analogies, of course, but I think there are many, many differences.
So as we map our universe, we also, you're the modern cartographer of the brain. As we get more precise, you're opening up new direction and new areas. And it's an exciting time. So let's thank Christof for one more time. Christof will stay here for a few. Yeah. This one. Yeah. Few more minutes. Yes. Yes. Okay. Perfect. Thank you. One perfect.